So let's start now. Create alignment. I have center line. I draw lines according to the existing road. So I will take from here, let's say that point. I will break this here. Okay, I don't need this one, and from here I will check how long it's going here. Okay, outside, so for sure I need inside here somewhere. I will break it here in this one. Okay, now I will change this center line, because this is the center line of the road, to alignment. From here I will select create alignment from object. I will select this one, and then here. Okay, it's asking for reverse. I don't need to reverse here, and here I will write here existing road center line. Okay, starting from 0 0, no problem. Here you can select anything. Already we have discussed the thing, so we will not go here anything. There is no curve, so I will remove this one also, and then click OK. Now as you can see, it's created the alignment up to here. 1 plus 8 48. Okay, let's first create a cross section. So exactly we will know from here. We knew that the width, the median here, but better to create a cross section. So first of all I will create a simple line, select alignment, and then I will select this alignment. Okay, there is okay, this one we fully in GL in volume. I will remove them. This one, this is my existing line, so I will select OK, and then from here by range of station. Okay, by range of station, anything here I can change. Okay, this one. Okay, the from alignment start, it's okay, to alignment end, it's also from this station to this station. Or we can create for less section. Whenever one step to alignment is the width on the left side, and on the right side let's change this to 100 meter, 100 meter here and 100 meter. We can change this later also. Okay, use sampling increment, absolute station, and okay, 50 is okay, I think. Start to end, and then create OK, and then press enter, and you will see here, because the scale here is one, let's change to 150, or honest one we can later can change this one. So now you can see we have created a section, and now let's create section view. Here create multiple view. As we created the alignment, existing road, the simple line group, already one group here. I did not create in one here. The style, you can change the style from here. There are lots of, so by default I'm using this one. The next on the sheet, already there is set 1 200 150 anything. Okay, this one good here. Left side, right side, already I checked here. Next, there one surface I'm using, so okay, there are thing which will be my table. Okay, no problem, we can change this later, and then I will put here the sections. Here, if you can see, I have the natural ground. If I hover it, this is showing that this is the existent road. Now, if I want to change, I can go to property, the section property extension style. From the property, I will go here, and here I can change the color, any color I want, or from here, if I go to the property, not this one, this is the whole page, so I will select the section here, because as you can see this is the whole page, so I will select the section here. From here, section view group properties, and from here also you can change, there is the name, the data update here. If you want to override, you can override the station left and right, you can change from here. Okay, so I was talking about this one, section edit section style. If you go here, you can also change the display of the, suppose this looking blue, so if you want in section, you can change here. Suppose always we are using red line for the section, so if I select here, and from here by layer, if I change this to this, I like to view like this one, so -2 I'm generally using with the line type 3 or more. Here same like here, the -2 I will use here, and here the 3, then apply OK. As you can see now, you can take the thickness also here by line width. So all the section now, as you can see, it's clearly visible. Or I can change the background color if you want to hide this one, the horizontal vertical graph line, you can turn off this one also. Okay, so like this we have created now the natural ground surface. Okay, so after that we will create the rehab per corridor rehab. So